am Roushani of 3rd class. Today I would like to narrate a story of snake trouble written by Ruskin Bond. So let's start. Imagine that I am a boy and I am sharing my experience with my grandparents in the train. My grandparents and I were going to Lucknow by train, so they could not take any unusual pets with them. Shortly they boarded the train. Grandmother said, "I am going to sleep. If you are hungry, you can help yourselves to food from the hamper under the berth." I dragged out the hamper and untied the straps. Then the lid flew open and was shocked to see that there was a huge python. Grandfather said, "Nonsense, pythons like their food alive." He made the hamper shut and pushed it back beneath the berth. A little after midnight, there was cries of "Snake! Snake!" at the end of the corridor. I looked under the berth. The hamper was open. Grandfather and I dashed out of the compartment. One passenger said, "There's a huge snake in the washroom." Grandfather and I entered the washroom, but there was no sign of the python. When they reached back to their compartment, Grandmother was sitting upon the bed. She said, "You told me that you have left that teacher behind, and all the time it was with us on the train," she scolded. Grandfather said, "It's gone. Maybe it has fallen out of the ventilator." Even as he spoke that, the train came upon a grinding halt. Grandfather put his head on the window and said, "No station here." Grandfather and I dashed to the engine driver. They spoke to the engine driver. "Anything I can do to help? I know all about engines." But the engine driver was speechless. "Because the snake has curled his legs." Grandfather and I dragged the python and gave in my arms. Engine driver sank down to the floor and was shaking, pale and fear. And before the engine driver could progress, Grandfather had set the engine in motion. Okay, my dear friends, can you guess what is the moral of the story? Yes, the moral of the story is be kind to animals. I hope you have enjoyed my video and give more likes and subscribes and comments and tell me, did you like the video or not?